What's up, guys? I'm here with a new coin I just found. It's called Neblio. And basically, why I found it really cool, it's because of its staking functionality. I can't say that word. Functionality, there you go. But yeah, all that means is you hold it in your wallet, your desktop wallet, and you keep your laptop or your computer connected to the internet with the wallet on, and you'll start generating the coin. And the difference with this and Neo is Neo creates a new token, it creates Neo Gas, where Neblio creates a Neblio token which stacks on top of your Neblio as it's mining or staking or whatever you want to call it, which is like compound profits, I guess. But yeah, I found that really cool and I just wanted to share with you guys. And how to get started with staking, all you're gonna have to do is get some Neblio from your favorite exchanges like Qcoin or Binance. Those are the ones I use. And then once you have your Neblio, you're just gonna want to download the wallet that is compatible with your laptop, computer, and whatever. Once you have that, you're gonna open up your wallet, and it's gonna start syncing with the Neblio network. And you're gonna, in the beginning, you're gonna want to encrypt the wallet, meaning you're just gonna make a password, and then you're gonna want to unlock your wallet, and you enter your password here, that the one you just made. Make sure for staking only is ticked off. Let's see, boom. Once you have that, your wallet's ready to go. You're just gonna want to send. You're gonna want to send your Neblio tokens from your exchange to this wallet. Not this, because this is my wallet, but you guys can donate to me if you'd like. But yeah. And then once you have that down, you're gonna wanna back up your wallet, which just creates like a little file on your wherever you want to save it. And my little trick is you can save this file and you can email it to yourself, just in case like anything ever happens to your computer. You have it online where you can retrieve it by, like, you can just download a new client and just export your wallet into it, which saves all your stuff. And yeah, I hope this video was useful. Like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on crypto. Peace out.